you. My whole life falls in line. I prayed for you before I called.
Nung una kami nagkakilala sa Facebook lang. Ganun. Nagsisearch ako nun. Tapos nakita ko siya. Sabi ko, bibiganin ko nga, kaya ganun. Tapos hanggang sa nag-request friend ako sa kanya. Hanggang sa accept naman niya. Doon, nag-umpisa yung pagkakilala namin. Tapos hanggang sa pagpasya namin na mag-meet. Doon, nakita ko siya. Pero nung time na yun, parang kaibigan lahat. Pero unti-unti na yun, nahulog yung loob. Parang hanggang sa siligawan ko na siya. Sabi ko, ito yung gusto ko mapangasawa.
Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you. I get to love you. The way you love.
I'd be lying if I said I didn't care. It feels like the world is burning down and we're all scared. I'd be foolish if I pretended it's all.
Congratulations sa kasal mo. Alam ko ito yung araw na hinihintay mo. Maging masaya kayo.
To work, walking the streets, all our dreams were within reach. And I'm so sick of watching the news. I step outside, stare at the moon. Lord, I know we'll make it through. Hold on to brighter days. The sunshine is on its way. No need to be afraid. We're gonna be okay. Our hope will never die. Here in the dark we shine. We'll make it through the night. Keep reaching for the light. We're gonna get through this. We're gonna get through this. We're gonna get through this.
Congratulations and best wishes.
Said I still believe our lives will get back to the way they used to be. And I'd be foolish if I pretended I feel peace when my heart feels hurt for love without you here with me.
Actually, kagabi, kinausap ko na yung anak ko na sabi ko, pagpalain nawa yung kanilang pagsasama bilang mag-asawa, palagi silang magmamahalan, magdadamayan, iwasan nila yung away sa pamamahay.
We're gonna be okay. Our hope will never die. Here in the dark we shine. We'll make it through the night. Keep reaching for the light. We're gonna get through this. 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 We're gonna get through this.
Congratulations po sa mga mag-asawa. Sana walang away.
Congrats sa wedding. Sana maayos ang inyong pagsasama. Walang away. At sana yun na, tuloy na talaga yan, yung ano na yan. Walang ano, makahadlang na, ayan na. Ito na yun.